Holy moly, I'm out here and I just got a survey done on a piece of property we were looking to buy to build a home on, and lo and behold, the seawall is crooked. So what happens now? What do we do to fix this? There's a lot of questions that are popping up now. Just discovered this. It's not a common thing that happens, but the seawall actually cuts into the property, and that's really going to affect us and what we could build on this lot.
So the survey here shows that the seawall is crooked. It cuts into the property, and that is what the issue is with this lot and why I don't want to purchase it. So that crooked seawall would have cost me any place between $30,000 to $50,000 to replace that. By the time you rip it out, put a new one back in, the effort, the time, the headache that would have gone through that. So that's a big cautionary tale. If you're looking to buy a piece of property in Cape Coral, Fort Myers area with the idea of building on it, please contact me. You could hit me on Facebook, YouTube, our website's laurenhomes.com. I would be more than happy to take you through the steps of what needs to happen to evaluate a piece of property to make sure it's right for you before you spend your hard-earned money to buy a lot to find out that there could be a huge issue with it in regards to building. Again, Fred Price with Lauren Homes. I look forward to hearing from you.